Hello students, in our today's class we will introduce ourselves to the idea of a differential equation. So what is a differential equation? A differential equation is an equation which involves the independent variable x, the dependent variable y, and one or more differential of the dependent variable with respect to x, that is dy dx, d2y dx2, d3y dx3, and so on. Let us consider some examples. dy dx equals to m, d2y dx2 equals to minus a square y, d3y dx3 plus 5 d2y dx2 plus 6 dy dx equals to 7x square. So any kind of equation which involves a relation between x, y and various orders of differential coefficients of y with respect to x is called a differential equation. When only one independent variable is involved, then these type of differential equations are called ordinary differential equation. See previously mentioned examples, all the equations contains only one independent variable y. So all the equations are ordinary differential equation. If on the other hand more than one independent variable and partial derivatives appear, then the equation is called partial differential equation. Examples of which are following: del 2z del x2 plus del 2z del y2 equals to 0, or del 2 theta del r2 equals to 4 rt del theta del t. According to our syllabus, we are just considering ordinary differential equation. Now come to the next topic, which is order and degree of the differential equation. The order of the differential equation is the order of the highest order derivative involved in the equation. Now what I mean by the highest order derivative, let us consider some examples. Number 1, 2x dy dx equals to y. This equation involves only one differential coefficients of y with respect to x. So here the highest order derivative is dy dx. Hence it is a differential equation of order 1. Next, number 2, d3y dx3 plus x dy dx plus xy d2y dx2 plus 4 equals to 0. This equation contains three differential coefficients of y with respect to x, that are del 2 d3y dx3, dy dx, d2y dx2. In this problem, we realize that the highest differential coefficients of y with respect to x is 3. So, this is the differential equation of order 3. Next, let us consider another example, d2y dx2 whole square minus dy dx plus 2x d2y dx2 plus x square equals to 0. There are three terms involving differential coefficient. The first and the third term contains second order derivative and the second term contains first order derivative. Now see the first term d2y dx2 whole square. If you consider is as a d4y dx4, then it will be totally wrong. Note that this power does not plays any role in computing the order of the differential equation. So the differential equation is order 2. So the order is 2. Next, what is the degree of the differential equation? The degree of the differential equation is the greatest positive power of the highest derivative occurring in the differential equation. But the power should be an positive integer. So the degree is basically the power of the highest derivative involved. Let us show this with the help of an example. d2y dx2 whole square minus dy dx plus x square equals to 0. Here the highest derivative is d2y dx2 and the power of the highest derivative is 2, and see the power is an positive integer. Hence the degree of the differential equation is 2. So degree is 2. Okay. Let us consider another example. 1 plus d2y dx2 whole to the power 3 by 2 equals to a d2y dx2. In this problem, the highest order derivative is d2y dx2. But see, the power is not an integer, it is a rational number. So we have to reduce the differential equation free from the fractional powers. So what we do? We just square both sides. Implies by whole square. So the power of d2y dx2 is 3 and the power of d2y dx2 here is 2. So the highest power among these is 3. Hence this is a differential equation of third degree. Next, our next topic is linear and nonlinear equation. Now consider this equation. Any equation of the type is called the linear equation where a0, a1, a2, an and f of x all are either constant or a polynomial of x, and the differential equation that cannot be put into this form are said to be nonlinear equation. Let us consider the following examples. Number 1, dy dx equals to 1 plus x square y square. Now see the term on the right side, 1 plus x square y square is not a function of x only, it also involves y as well. So it is non-linear. Next, number 2, d3y dx3 plus 3 d2y dx2 plus 3 dy dx plus y equals to cos x. Here all the coefficients are constants and the f of x is a function of x. So it is a linear equation. Move to the third example. 1 minus x square d2y dx2 minus 2x dy dx plus 5y equals to 0. Here all the coefficients and the f of x are constant. So it is a linear equation. So in this class we are talking about the preliminary concepts on differential equation. So that's it for today's video. Thank you.